I'd like to talk about our anti-friction balm for women. It's an endurance-focused, antibacterial and skin conditioning anti-chafe balm. We've got a men's formula and also a women's formula. And the reason that we did these products in the first place was that other products didn't go the distance, and we got a lot of feedback that the other products also felt icky. So we've designed two different formulas, one for men and one for women. In both products, there's no petrolatum, there's no petroleum jelly. So they're wetsuit safe and also clothing safe. We use a unique blend of triglycerides and waxes to provide a protective sheen on the skin. So rather than it being like a greasy, on the top of experience like, let's say, Vaseline or a nappy rash cream, this balm will actually kind of sink into the skin a little bit, provide a sheen and protective film, but not feel icky and greasy at the same time. Also across both products, we've got aloe vera for soothing and also tea tree oil, which has got antibacterial properties in it. But for the women's product specifically, we've also included lavender, mainly for its antibacterial properties. So it's a second antibacterial hero ingredient we've got in there. And then for skin healing, repair, and also soothing, we've added avocado, rosehip, shea butter, and also vitamin E. We've got a unique packaging design for this product, and really it's like a giant lip balm applicator. So you can actually use it in a targeted way for mess-free application, but some people will also like to actually apply it to their finger and to kind of rub it into the area that requires the protection. There's no best way of doing it, whatever suits you, but there are the two methods that you can use. I'd suggest that the areas that you look for to prevent chafing are between the toes, the heels, between the thighs, groin, and if you wear a wetsuit, around your neck and also the back of the arms. Also, chest straps and bras can also provide some chafing problems at times, so these areas you might want to consider putting on the balm as well. We had a couple of questions about our anti-friction balm. The first is what's the difference between the balm and also the chamois cream? The balms are a bit thicker, they are more heavy duty, they do have some beeswax in there. So these are a little bit more hotspot specific, whereas the chamois cream is more formulated for cyclists in their shorts. You can, however, if you like more of a lotion feel to an anti-chafe product, you can use our chamois cream if you like to. The other question we get is this the product just for sport? And the answer is no. You can use this for everyday life. So if you've got an ill-fitting bra or a summer dress or even workwear that's giving you some chafing issues, then this is the product that you can use anytime, anywhere.